too thin, not too thick. You are going to apply it enough. So if you feel like the crystal is sliding all over places, or if not staying on, it means that either you apply it a little bit too much condensed glue gel or top coat. So give it a couple of times playing it, when practice with it, and you definitely will get a hang of it. So don't forget to do is no wipe top coat, and floating on the top of the Ankia condensed glue gels. When I say floating, it means that you don't want to drag your condensed glue gels away. You're gonna just folding gently, so then that way it's gonna create another layer. So I'm gonna do is one of a super cute and adorable from the kit, and this frame come in the kits. I'm loving this. This is a raindrop. And so here's really simple, easy how you do your crystal placement. Just place the centerpiece first. In this design, centerpiece is ours drop, and I place the frames on it. So then you can definitely do the frame first, and place your crystals on. This one. And also you can add some beads on. It's so cute and it's so vibrant though. And this one you can do, definitely do pink, you can do gold beads or you can do silver beads. It doesn't matter, it's gonna look good anyway. What I do is to put 3 cute. All right, you can add more beads as you want to. I'm so excited I got to see all of you on 3 different platforms. Thanks so much Facebook, and thanks so much Instagram, TikTok viewers. So I'm gonna continue to add it on. So now you do not have to add the beads on if your client's like, oh, I just want crystal placement, I don't want to do anything with the beads. And absolutely you can cure and add precision glue gels on, you're good to go. If not, you can add more on. All right, happy with this? We're going to cure for 60 seconds.